Finished. Cut an opening here. So you put the rocker panels. There's always a lip that goes down on the rocker panels. Put that in here. So this is going under the car. So I can move it around in here. It's like on the weekends. I can pull it out here where I'm standing right now to give me more room to work on it, and then just push it back. And also I need it pretty level when I'm gonna start doing the front transplant, the 850 front. So well, I fucked up. I bought the wrong wheels for the car dolly, or whatever you want to call it. Let me show you what happened. So these are the wheels I bought, and I picked the wrong ones. In the front it works okay because it's not a lot of overhang and it's very light in the front, so it works fine. But in the rear have a lot of overhang, so it's heavier in the rear. And the wheel, let's see if I can zoom this. It kind of won't move. It's too heavy. The load is too heavy, so I press the rubber against the rim, plastic rim, and it won't move. It won't turn. It won't roll anything. So I'm like, I finished this yesterday. So I'm like, oh, what the hell? Do I have to buy some new wheels? So I was looking around in the garage and I found these. This is the one I replaced on one of my tool carts. There's a video on it a long time ago. And these are really sturdy. So I have two here that's non-turnable, and I still have two on the tool cart that turns. So I think I'm gonna put these, it's the same height as the other one, so you won't get any higher or lower in one end. So I think I'm gonna put these on in the back, in the rear here, right now, so I can move this body. But I need all four of them to turn, so I can move the whole shelf sideways, not just forward and backwards and turning in the front. But I still have two on the tool cart that turns. So I'll probably put on this non-turnable now first, so I can move the body out of its location. And then the one here that I take off, the one that I bought wrong ones, I put those on the tool cart, and I can get the other two from the tool cart. There, that's enough for today. I can move it around, and I moved my rear end from the corner next to the air compressor to up front here. That way I have more room in front of the car. So tomorrow I have to start cutting this apart, but before I can cut it apart, I gotta make a jig so all the mounts get in the right spot when I weld it back on the 460. So you're gonna have a jig to go after. So tomorrow, making a jig, and maybe I'll start with this boring job to remove the seam sealer and drilling all the spot welds. That's so boring, man. But that's for tomorrow. I did what I planned on this video. I also gotta finish removing the wire harness from inside the car through the firewall. I'll do that tomorrow too. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned. It's work in progress. Not fast, but this is a long time project. Bye.